Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Triumph Bonneville T120. This 1200cc torque monster just arrived with only 1,259 miles. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, retro style. It's got the fork gators on front, pea shooter exhaust, that flat 60 style seat. Come on by and make your sport retro dreams come true. This awesome Bonneville 1200. ABS brakes. This bike is really cool. Matte silver, only $99.99. Come on by and check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.